Hello, everybody. This is Boyce with 5280 Software LLC. And today I'm going to talk about how to write the perfect blog post. So blogs are an important tool for any business website these days. It allows you to talk about your product or service or highlight something that is related to your business. They're also really important to drive SEO traffic. So you want to make sure that your blog posts that you're doing have the proper keywords that you're trying to target for the search engines. A really good tool that I use is called Ubersuggest. It's by Neil Patel. He's really one of the leaders in the SEO and digital marketing space. And with using Ubersuggest, you can go out there and look at what your competitors are posting and see what kind of traffic their particular blog posts are getting for a particular keyword. You can also research the keyword volume for a particular keyword. Now, when you do write a blog, you want it to be at least 750 words or 1,000 words, somewhere in that range. Really any less than that, and it's not really going to be that helpful. It's also really good to use stats in your blog post. That way, when Google and the other search engines are looking at it, they're saying, is this really relevant information, or can this information be verified with statistics and things like that? So it's always good to quote other websites that have statistics on your particular subject. It's also really good to use infographics. So what you can do is you can look at some of your competitors' blog posts on a particular subject that you want to write about, and how can you make it better? Can you add some infographics? Can you add some graphics to it? How can you expand on theirs? Once you get this blog post done, another good thing you can do is reach out to other blog owners or influencers and say, hey, I wrote this new blog. It's better than what's out there right now. You know, if you want to take a look at it, maybe give me a backlink to it. The more backlinks you have to your blog or to your website, really helps with your traffic as well. If you need help building your website or updating your website, or just need, maybe you want to just discuss some ideas you have about maybe blogging, feel free to visit 5280software.net or give us a call at 888-510-0833. Thank you.